All right, before we get to the NBA scores today, I would like to say a happy 80th birthday to George Benson and a happy 71st birthday to Bob Costas. Also, we had a tornado in the Montebello area, which is a town east-southeast of downtown LA. And yes, tornadoes are extremely rare in California. It's something you mostly experience out in the Midwest, like out in Kansas or Oklahoma, Arkansas, the Central Plain states. They get the most of the tornadoes. Tornadoes are a fluke. And let's check out these scores on this Wednesday night. Starting with Denver as they beat the Wizards 118-104, and Jokic had a double-double with 31 points and 12 rebounds. The Golden State Warriors have won their second straight road game after losing an 11 in a row as they beat Luka and the Mavs 127-125. Jonathan Kuminga led the way with 22 points. Curry had a double-double with 20 points and 13 assists. Kevon Looney also had a double-double with 12 rebounds and 12 points, 28 minutes played. Curry and Thompson both played 35 minutes. Meanwhile, Luka played 41 minutes. He had a double-double with 30 points, 17 assists. Kyrie Irving didn't play tonight. And, so Golden State has won the season series against Dallas now. Meanwhile, the Heat beat the Knicks 127-120. And yes, Eric Spoelstra won his 700th career game as a coach.
I am the sixth man.
And Julius Randle had 15 points and 9 assists in 36 minutes played. Meanwhile, Jalen Brunson scored 25 points in 37 minutes. Meanwhile, Jimmy Butler came an assist shy of a double-double. 35 points, 9 rebounds in 37 minutes. Bam Adebayo played 39 minutes. Hero 32 minutes. That's a big win for the Heat. Meanwhile, the Pacers beat the Raptors 118-114. Grizzlies beat the Rockets 130-125. Jaren Jackson had 37 points and 10 rebounds in 35 minutes. Desmond Bane played 35 minutes, 20 points. And how about Kevin Porter Jr. with the triple-double? 14 points, 10 assists, 10 rebounds in 34 minutes. And Jalen Green led the way with 32 points in 37 minutes. Wow. Meanwhile, the Bucks blew out the Spurs 130-94. How about Chris Middleton with a double-double with 10 assists and 19 points? Double-double for Giannis, 14 rebounds, 31 points in 24 minutes. Bobby Portis, 19 points, 10 rebounds in 25 minutes. Sixers blew out the Bulls 116-91. Joel Embiid had 12 points, but it was Melton who had 25 points in 33 minutes. And Kobe White led the way with 19 points for the Bulls. And also the Timberwolves came back and beat the Hawks 125-124. Trae Young had 29 points in 32 minutes. But it wasn't enough as Naz Reid had 26 points. And Rudy Gobert had a double-double. And the Timberwolves are at 500. And yes, the Blazers beat the Jazz 127-115. Damian Lillard with 12 assists and 30 points in 34 minutes in the win over Utah. And finally, the Lakers get the monkey off their back, finally beating Phoenix, ending their 9-game losing streak, including the playoffs. Yeah. Yeah, big win. Devin Booker had 33 points in 41 minutes. Chris Paul had 18 points in 30 minutes. Meanwhile, all of our Lakers contributed. Anthony Davis led the way with 27 points and 9 rebounds in 38 minutes. Austin Reeves had a double-double, 25 points, 11 assists in 39 minutes. D'Angelo Russell with 26 points in 34 minutes. And each one contributed in a huge win, 122-111. And, yeah, with only 9 games to go, I think we're in good position. And, yeah, we're back in the play-in spot as for now. But since Dallas won the tiebreaker, we're in 10th. And the Thunder, of course, are the 8th seed, and the Wolves are the 7th. So the Warriors are back in the 6th position. And the Suns lead the Clippers by half a game. And our current longest winning streak is 4, run by the Grizzlies, as they trail Denver by. And yes, the Grizzlies have won their division too. Yeah, the Grizzlies won their division. And yeah, I think the Sacramento Kings are probably going to win the Pacific. Meanwhile, the Dodgers lose to the Mariners in spring training today, 5-1. Well, I hope you all have a great night, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.